goal today is to write a Python script that can scan available Wi-Fi networks and connect to a specified network. This tutorial is specifically for macOS users, as we'll be using macOS-specific commands. Make sure you have Python installed on your macOS. You can check this by typing Python 3 version in your terminal. We'll use the subprocess module, which is a standard library in Python used for running system commands. In macOS, airport utility is used for Wi-Fi network operations. We need to specify its path to use it in our script. Using subprocess.run, we will store capture output. Now we print available Wifi. Next, we will enter Wi-Fi name, password, and interface. This is a macOS command used for changing network settings, including connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Today, we learned how to scan and connect to Wi-Fi networks using Python on macOS. Try modifying the script to fit your needs, maybe adding error handling or creating a GUI for it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to PyGorithm for more Python tutorials. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!